Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the block notifications in game mode on Android phones. So if you like to play games on your Android phones and you don't want to get disturbed, you can enable the block notifications so that when they are maybe message notifications, you can block it so it won't shown in the floating notification. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your Android phone, and then here just scroll down and find this ultra game mode. Click on that and scroll down and you'll find the do not disturb section. So here is the block notification feature. So when you enable this feature, notification of floating previews will not display at the top during gameplay, so you won't be distracted during your game. So just enable it just like this by clicking on the circle until it turns to blue. You can also mute calls if you want to. You can use a background calls or reject calls in here. So all incoming call from contacts not on the allow some call list will be rejected during gameplay if you want to reject. And for the background calls, when you answer an incoming call during gameplay, the call will automatically run in the background. So that's up to you. You can just adjust a bit how you like it. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.